位置咧喺薄扶林道啊，嗰邊咧就係香港大學站，側邊呢個係聖安多尼學校。咁我行緊嘅呢個呢係第三街。Okay, so this is the 3rd Street, located in 西營盤。聖類斯小學 St. Louis School。咁啊，聖類斯以前係 Band 1嘅學校嚟㗎啦，咁啊而家就好似跌咗，不過都幾唔錯嘅。St. Louis used to be a Band 1 school in Hong Kong. But it has been recently downgraded in the past few years.呢度呢係香港保護兒童院嘅日托嬰兒園嚟嘅。So this is a day center for taking care of babies from 0 to 2 years old. Especially for those parents in need. Let's say if they are both working. 好啦，呢個聖類斯中學。This is the St. Louis School, and that's the secondary school.曲義里啊，入邊有間寺廟嘅喎。啊，唔係曲義啊，讀錯咗啊，係尤義里啊，哈哈，尤義里 Yao Ling。I see a temple inside. So that was an education center. It cannot be operated due to the government order. 居仁里全部樓梯嚟嘅。區英令 they're all staircases. Seven. Hong Kong people usually call 7-Eleven convenience store. We call them 啡粉。平記正宗泰式美食 ，There's a Thai restaurant， 有啲車房。So some of the shops here are doing motor service. laundry、BBQ。咁其實我覺得個市況唔係話太好啊。呢個又係薄扶林道啦 ，Coffee Road。呢度紅興茶餐廳。史來香買蛋卷嘅喎 ，They sells egg rolls。Okay, that's the hair salon. They can't be operated. Oh, this is a private road. Quite interesting. 咁有音樂，所以要大聲啲講嘢啦。呢個係食 burger 嘅。西邊街 Western Street。其實我覺得咧，呢頭啲街都幾難行㗎，又上又落咁樣。I think the streets in this area is quite difficult to walk because they are keep on going uphill and downhill。咁呢一個係救恩學校。私校嚟嘅，咁據我所知咧，以前黃之鋒都係喺度畢業嘅。咁啱啱留意到咧，呢個15號 Western Street 幾靚喎。This should be a residential building. The constructions are still in process. 西區社區中心。呢個幾有趣喎！This is quite interesting. OK， 呢度有講述嘅舊贊育醫院，咁就唔會特別讀啦，讓大家慢慢睇啦。So I will not read every word. So maybe you can just press pause and read them all if you like to. Okay. Keep walking. 救恩 咁啊開始天黑啦。I think it will be sunset soon, so maybe I need to walk a little bit faster. 常豐里 The Nova。唔知點解剛才條片斷咗啦，咁唯有喺度繼續。Not very sure what was happening, but my video was terminated just now, so that I will carry on from here. And my camera actually has got some problem. It's sometimes just the recording was terminated unexpectedly. 咁啊，我部機就有啲問題啦。咁啊，都唔知咩事啊！頭先連 warning message 都冇，咁就直接停止咗個錄影。呢個係正街。繼續係第三街啊！西營盤街市。街寶。街鋪。It is actually a supermarket, but they also sell some fresh meat and groceries as well. The entrance of this is quite weird. I'm not too sure, but I guess it is a factory building, but it doesn't look like it. If I just look up, it should be a residential area. So anyway. There's some graffiti here. This is the office of the區議員英文係咩咧？唔識講添。The nominated person of this district. I'm not too sure what is the English of that. 呢度係垃圾站。That is for the refuse collection, so I will just walk past. Oh, this is very interesting. Okay, this is the Eastern Street. So that's the end of the 3rd Street. So see you in the next video. I will keep walking to the High Street. 咁我就會呢段片嚟到呢度先。咁我咧就會繼續行上去上面高街嘅。下段片再見啦，拜拜。